Hi everybody, hope all is well. You may already know that we will be doing a songwriting course at the Olana Historic Site in Hudson, New York. We also have plans to do songwriting course online this winter, so I wanted to give everybody a sneak peek of what that's going to be like. If you're not familiar with Olana Historic Site, the word Olana is actually the name of a mansion built by a painter named Frederick Church, and it's built on the Hudson River. And Frederick Church was a painter in what was called the Hudson River School, which was a group of artists that painted the Hudson River. For the Olana course, there are 8 sessions. Some are in September, October, November, and each session has a theme. The first session is basic tools of songwriting, things about the structure, rhythm, things like that. Then their other sessions are genres. There's one about how to research to write an historic song, a song about a part of history. There's also one where you write a song about a painting at Olana, and then about the landscape at Olana. And then the final session at Olana is kind of a big party. We're going to be playing the songs. There's going to be some great food, and public is welcome. So it's like a culmination of the whole sessions, all the sessions. For the online courses, it'll probably be less because we won't be tying it into an historic site. It'll probably be about 4 or 5 sessions, very basic songwriting, and then of course the genres and things like that. And possibly a question and answer type of thing. This course online will appear on some of the teaching websites such as Teacheable, SkillShare. There's things like that. I'm going to research each of those and see which might be best for everybody, and that'll be later this fall. But for now, I thought I would give you some insider info and actually tell you some of the things that we're going to be teaching. We do have a handout that we give out right here, and it has a lot of impressive boxes and graphs and stuff like that. And I will go over those with you right now. Very simple. I'm sure you've heard of every word that's on here, but we expand it and define it more so that you can write your own song, actually. On the other side of the handout are some songs, and I include those songs at the end of this video. These are very simple songs that illustrate the concepts that are on this side. Let's look at the way that songs develop. It can be a melody in your head. You can hear it while playing an instrument. Sometimes words have a sound or rhythm. Or maybe you're hearing or reading or seeing or experiencing something. The definition of a chorus is a group of sentences that holds the main idea of the song and repeats during the song. What's the definition of a verse? Those are paragraphs that explain or illustrate the main idea of the song more in depth. The first song that I will show you is called The Cherry Valley, and I chose to put the chorus first because I felt it was most introductory rather than the verse. Sometimes I find having an exciting introduction to the song will have more interest for the listener. There's the Valley Village, it has one green light. Sidewalks roll up at night, and there's a 3-foot bank of snow. Diamond blue sky shines through the trees. Look as far as you please down the lavender mountainside. The other song that I'm going to show you is a song called Butterfly that I wrote, and it has an instrumental passage in it, which is part of songwriting also, just like the chorus and the verse, etc. You would have an instrumental passage if you wanted. helped you and added to some of your knowledge about songwriting. And I hope it inspires you maybe to take a songwriting course, whether it's at Olana or our online course, but to, it's helpful to join together with other songwriters and have people critique your work. I know I like to send my songs out or my lyrics out and see what people think, and then I can either change it or I can think about it for next time. Just always trying to make your song be enjoyable for everybody. That's really the bottom line. Is this song enjoyable? Do people want to hear it? And that's what you want to aim for. Thank you so much, everybody, and I hope you have a great day.